Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with another exciting video. Today I'm planning to make very classic, very delicious onion soup. It sounds like onion soup, but it's very delicious. And also you need a few ingredients to make this. Please enjoy this video and thanks for tuning in. So for this recipe, first I'm gonna prepare my croutons. It's a French baguette. You just need the slices of French baguette. You're gonna toast it off in the oven for 2 to 3 minutes for 250 degrees. So our bread is sliced. I'm gonna put it in the oven for 2 to 3 minutes for 250 degrees. Just turn into toast or croutons. So for this recipe, I'm using a white onion. It's a little sweet side and it's better for the onion soup. So it's a pretty much a large onion, one. We're gonna julienne or slice it. So I'm using some leek also. It's not necessary to use it. I just have it and it gives a nice smell to the soup. So I'm using some leek also, just a one stem. So for this recipe, I'm using a couple of tablespoons of olive oil. You can use the vegetable oil also. And also I'm gonna add a little bit of butter also. And we're gonna dump our onions. We're gonna saute. So I'm adding a little bit of salt to caramelize the onion. It will help the onion to sweat. And also I'm using a couple of bay leaf, some fresh thyme. You can use dry thyme also, and also some fresh garlic, chopped garlic. So we're gonna cook it for another 15-20 minutes. So every 5 minutes you can come back and stir the onion. So now I'm gonna add our leek, sliced leek or chopped leek. So you can see the onion is getting caramelized. So you can see our onion is nicely caramelized. You see the bottom, you just scrape it out and roll the onion again. So now I'm gonna add a little bit of seasoning, salt, according to your taste, black pepper, half a teaspoon, also according to your taste. And also I'm adding a little bit of flour, couple of tablespoons regular flour to give a little nice thickness, a little bit of body to the. So we're gonna cook first all the flour. Gonna keep stirring very lower your heat. Few minutes. So our flour is cooked. So I'm gonna add stock. So I have here chicken stock. Traditionally, people use the beef stock, but I'm using a chicken stock. You can use either one, but traditionally, mostly people use the beef stock. So about 1.5 liters. Nice strong chicken stock. And we're gonna stir everything nice, combine everything, and we're gonna let it cook for lower heat for about 20 to 30 minutes. So our French onion soup is ready. Look amazing. Also smell very good. because of thyme and bay leaf. So I removed the thyme and bay leaf stems from the soup. So I'm gonna do some presentation. So we're gonna pour our soup in the bowl. Look amazing. So now I'm gonna add some baguette on the top. 2-3 pieces of slices of baguette, and we're gonna add our. Normally people use gruyere cheese. I'm using Havarti. I like Havarti flavor. So we're gonna cover the top of the soup with the cheese, and we're gonna put inside the oven until the nice color comes on the top of the cheese. Kind of gratinate the cheese. So we're gonna put our soup cup in the tray, and it goes in the oven for a few minutes. So our soup is ready. I put in the oven for a few minutes, and it's nice and ready to serve. Look amazing. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Came out very nice, look amazing, taste amazing, especially in this cold weather. It's very good for you. It's very healthy also. Please do try this recipe, and also follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. If you like our video, consider subscribe our channel. I will be back pretty soon with another exciting video. Take care of yourself. Stay safe. Allah Hafiz everyone.